Every year, millions of old mobile phones reach the end of their useful life. Responsible recycling begins with organized collection from certified sources. Mobile repair centers are one of the largest sources of electronic waste. Devices beyond repair continue their journey to licensed recycling facilities. The sorted mobile phones are carefully loaded using industrial forklifts. Each pallet is secured before the shipment. Collected devices travel under controlled conditions to specialized recycling plants. Every shipment is tracked from collection to processing. After sorting, the collected mobile phones are loaded into transport trucks using industrial material handling equipment. Every shipment is accurately weighed before entering production. This information helps monitor material recovery efficiency. The recycling process starts with careful unloading and inspection. Every crate is checked before entering the processing line. Each device is prepared for detailed manual inspection. Sorting improves efficiency and material recovery.
Working devices may receive a second life through refurbishment. Damaged phones continue to the recycling process.
Lithium-ion batteries require specialized handling for safety. Only battery-free phones move forward to mechanical disassembly. Each phone is carefully opened to recover valuable components. Manual dismantling prevents unnecessary damage to reusable materials. Damaged displays are separated before electronic recovery begins. Different phone models require different removal techniques. Printed circuit boards contain the highest concentration of valuable metals. They are carefully collected for advanced recovery. Every component follows its own specialized recycling process. Accurate sorting increases material recovery efficiency. Aluminium and steel are recovered separately for maximum value. Material purity begins with accurate separation. Clean plastic housings are prepared for size reduction. Removing remaining metal prevents contamination. The shredder reduces bulky phone housings into recyclable flakes. Dust extraction keeps the factory clean and safe. Powerful magnets recover hidden steel fragments. Cleaner plastic improves the quality of recycled pellets. Thorough washing removes dirt and unwanted residues. Clean plastic is essential for producing high-quality recycled material. Drying prepares the recycled plastic for its next transformation. In the next stage, these flakes will become new industrial plastic pellets. Clean plastic flakes are melted under carefully controlled temperatures. The recycled material is now ready to become new plastic pellets.
Uniform pellets are easier to transport and reuse. These recycled pellets will manufacture new plastic products.
Printed circuit boards contain valuable precious metals. They require specialized processing before metal recovery. Shredding prepares the circuit boards for advanced separation. Smaller pieces improve metal recovery efficiency. Grinding releases valuable metals from the composite boards. The mixed material is now ready for separation. Density separation concentrates the valuable metal fraction. Light materials are removed for further processing. Electrostatic technology increases the purity of recovered metals. The concentrate is now ready for precious metal refining. Copper is one of the most valuable materials inside old phones. Granulation produces clean copper ready for industry. High-purity copper is essential for manufacturing new electrical products. Every batch is cleaned before quality testing. Once the copper passes inspection, the PCB concentrate is sealed and labeled for transport to the refinery, where the gold and silver will be recovered. The concentrated PCB material is delivered to a licensed precious metal refinery. Every shipment is carefully tracked before processing begins.
Controlled thermal treatment prepares the concentrate for metal extraction. This stage removes non-metallic materials safely.
Specialized refining systems separate valuable metals from the concentrate. Every process is carefully monitored for efficiency and safety. Even a small quantity of mobile phone circuit boards contains valuable gold. The recovered gold returns to electronics manufacturing. Silver and palladium are essential materials for modern electronics. They are recovered with extremely high precision. Every recovered metal is tested before leaving the refinery. Only certified material is approved for industrial use. Secure packaging protects every valuable shipment. The recovered metals are ready for electronics manufacturers. Every batch of recycled plastic is tested for industrial quality. Only consistent material moves to manufacturers. Compressed metal bales reduce storage and transportation costs. These materials will become new industrial products. From old phones to new resources, these gold bars and copper granules are now ready to be shipped out to manufacturers. Every recovered material is carefully packed and documented. These valuable resources are now ready for a new industrial life. Recovered materials travel to specialized manufacturers. The recycling journey continues beyond the recycling plant. Recovered copper returns to industry without losing its quality. It becomes the foundation for new electrical products. Recycled copper powers the next generation of electrical systems. High-quality cables begin with recovered raw materials. Old phone plastic begins a completely new life. It is transformed into durable industrial products. Recovered aluminium saves energy compared with primary production. It becomes valuable raw material once again. Steel can be recycled repeatedly without losing its strength. Recovered scrap becomes the raw material for new products. The same metals recovered from old phones now power new technology. This is the true value of responsible electronic recycling. Recovered materials return to the market as brand new technology. The recycling loop is almost complete. Every finished product passes inspection, is packaged, and prepared for delivery worldwide. Every approved product is carefully tracked before distribution. Recycled materials are now ready to serve customers once again. Recovered resources begin a new journey beyond the recycling plant. Every shipment supports sustainable manufacturing.
Responsible recycling keeps hazardous electronic waste out of landfills. It also recovers valuable materials for future generations.
A single mobile phone contains many valuable raw materials. Modern recycling allows these resources to be used again. What once seemed like waste has become a valuable resource. Every recycled phone helps conserve natural materials. Every stage plays an essential role in responsible recycling. The complete journey transforms waste into valuable resources. Today's recycled materials power tomorrow's technology. This circular process supports a more sustainable future. The journey of an old mobile phone never truly ends. It begins a new life through responsible recycling.
An old mobile phone is far more valuable than it appears. Through responsible recycling, yesterday's technology becomes tomorrow's innovation.